IPOB don't send a message, go give the Miyetti Allah and Fulani herdsmen and the Minister of Livestock tell them that Igbo land and Biafra land will never be a place of grazing, which is where they go carry their cow, they waka everywhere. Say it can never happen in Igbo land. Say they should get it and get it clear. As that one they happen, they say for inside Niger State, for Niger State, say Nigeria Army don't abandon all their camp, all their barracks where they gave for there, where they take they protect the people, run comot because of the too much attack where the bandits they attack them for that place. Things are really happening. They say that the Hausas don't come outside. Say they go make sure say all the whole Fulanis where they their land, all of them go carry their bag, go where they come from. You don't read for inside Nigeria. My wonderful people, let's go and look into this matter where they happen as it they happen for the area. You know, say things where would they talk for here? Now truth and nothing but the truth. So I'm so happy that IPOB medias are getting it clear, because this is what we're supposed to do. Our land have to be protected at all costs. The GMO seed will never be planted in our land. If any farmer will find out that is using it in our land, that farmer will pay the consequence, because you are killing our people. So anything these people are bringing, we're going to resist it and try. And I want to take this into all Biafrans, all Igbos, all over the world. Listen to me. If you bought a land in Igbo land, from today, start planting in that land. If you cannot be there, you must not be there to plant. Send somebody, send the farmers, ask them to go there. Please plant this thing for me and make sure you're taking care of it. Let them be videoing, let them be showing you. You know your land, you know where you bought your land. Make sure that you planted something in that land you buy in Southeast, that land you buy in Biafra land, that land you buy in Igbo land, that land you buy everywhere in Biafra land. Make sure you people start farming today, because if for example, remember how our people survived during the war. If you have a water leaf, if you have a vegetable, if you have what are they calling it, oha, and all this, if you have cocoyam, if you have, you can trade it to or go another person and say, give me this thing and take this thing. This is how our people even survive safe. So we should not forget things so easily. This is my piece of advice to all Biafras out there, because the way things is going now, it will got a point where you can't even see that thing to buy in market. So you have no option to bring what you have. Hey, I have this, you know, who have this, give me this. And you will get it and exchange it to get what you want. So my people, please let everyone go back to farm. And we must resist this GMO seed in our land. So let us go and look into the videos that we have here today and see what is actually happening. Please do not forget to share this video and subscribe to this channel so that as they subscribe, as they share the video, they help us to do more and help people to see. And not say about the people not like what they do, but for people who like them, I beg, may try to support us by sharing the video. Thank you so much for that. Okay, my wonderful people, let me bring this video up for you to watch to see that the moment and hear it from your own self how the Nigeria Army abandoned their camp in Niger State and run away. Watch it.
Following the events of the past few days in Shiroro, local government area of Niger State, an armored personnel carrier of the Nigerian military stepped on an IED. As a result, there were many casualties. This happened early in the week. A week earlier, about 6 soldiers and some vigilante members lost their lives in a battle in nearby areas in the same Niger State. As a result of all this, the Nigerian military withdrew from a makeshift camp they built as a forward base in Niger State. This forced people in nearby communities to evacuate the entire communities. As you can see, people had to leave in a hurry because these farming communities relied on the fact that there was a forward base nearby that would prevent the insurgents from overrunning the area. Some had to leave as early as 4 a.m. in the morning because the nearest town where they could take shelter is about 40-50 kilometers away. Many of them had to trek because there wasn't enough motorbikes to convey them or even vehicles. It's a pity that Nigerians are being displaced in their own homelands because of insecurity. And considering the fact that these communities are farming communities, the effect on food inflation alone will continue to hurt Nigeria's economy. The Nigerian military knows how best to fight this insecurity. They know all the best strategies to deploy. They've been on it for a very long time. In fact, it's been more than a decade Nigerian military is fighting insurgency. With all their best strategies, the one that shouldn't be deployed is withdrawal, because this battle is not just a physical one, it is also a psychological one. The military should never withdraw in any military conflict inside the territory of Nigeria, because they are legally authorized to carry arms and defend Nigeria. Withdrawing means they are running away, and considering that they are the Nigerian military, it hands a boost, a moral psychological boost to the insurgents, because they will say, all our efforts worked, they have withdrawn, they have closed down their forward base, so we can now overrun the communities that have evacuated. It's a serious moral boost. So they should never run away or close down any base. Instead, they should reinforce to prove to them that, hey, no matter what happened, no matter the armored personnel carrier hitting an IED, we will reinforce in order to defeat them. That's how they should handle it. And the fact that they know that these insurgents are in this area, that they are in Shiroro local government area, they should make sure they deploy everything in their power to make sure they contain them. You see, part of the reason this conflict is like it's never ending is because the army hits and runs. They always attack and withdraw, attack and withdraw. So if they attack and continue attacking, even if it takes a year to continue being on the chase behind the insurgents, they would have finished the job a long time ago. Anywhere they see insurgents are grouping, maybe they see them from surveillance aircrafts from the air, they should devise a strategy to make sure they contain that particular group, not find a way to disperse them. They will disperse and, form different clusters. From there, they will regroup again and start doing what they know how to do best. If you remember, around 2015, before Buhari took over power, the insurgency was nearly contained by the Nigerian military around the northeast region. But after Buhari took over power, it was like they dispersed. From there, we started hearing insurgents in the northwest, even in the middle belt. So it's obvious that the strategy is not working. They are not containing them. They are allowing them to disperse. In fact, the Nigerian military should never withdraw from any front. Even if they have up to 10 fronts that are active, they should devise strategies to contain all of them at the same time. Withdrawing from any front gives a moral boost to the insurgents. In fact, it helps their recruitment because they will be able to convince people that, see, what we have done have caused the Nigerian military to withdraw and evacuate a camp. Can you imagine non-state actors having such a win? Many people will join them, people that are tired of running around. Like many people in these communities that are evacuating in Shiroro local government area, they are forced to trek miles in order to get to safety. Many young people will join them in some of these communities they are overrunning. So the cycle never ends. Yes, despite the fact that the military knows better how to handle these insecurities and deal with the insurgents, they should never withdraw from any base, whether it's a makeshift camp, forward base, anyone for that matter. They should never withdraw from there. If they are running low on personnel, they should call up more soldiers, especially the ones doing the job of the police. You see a lot of soldiers along the highways across Nigeria doing civil jobs. They should be.
Hey, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I watched that video, this thing that happened for inside Niger State, and the question is, why are they abandoning where there is problem, attack from the bandits and Boko Harams? What are they doing in Southeast? This is the question. And IPOB has also warned that the Nigeria government should immediately remove all checkpoints in Biafra land. That this one is going to cause a very big problem if they fail to do this thing. They should take their checkpoint to where there is problem in the north. And he also said that, the IPOB also said that the Nigeria government should tell Fulani herdsmen to take their cows to Sambisa forest. That is where they will have a larger land to rear their cows over there, not in Biafra land. You see that things are really going on. But however, I like the message, is very clear. So I'm going to play you this video where the Hausa man is telling the Fulanis that they must leave their land if an immediate event because they have destroyed them all. Watch the video.
Now between the Hausa and the Fulani. And when you see us now, we are ready to change everything. In all the political parties in Nigeria, that you see a Hausa man going out around campaign, go and check. It's a Fulani man, not a Hausa man. A Hausa man has not ruled this country. We have been in peace before Usman Danfodio come to Nigeria. He has come and then divide us from our brothers, the real Nigerians, the Igbos, the Yoruba, and the Hausas. Now the Fulani has taken over everything from us. They have deceived our great-grandfathers, they deceived our grandfathers, they deceived our fathers, and now it is our time. Thank God for the social media that you can hear this and share. Let it go viral to everywhere so that people will know that there is a division now between the Hausa and the Fulani. And I'm telling you, next segment you see what we want to tell you from this video so that you understand that there is really a division. Like I was saying, we should try and share the video so that it will go viral. As you are listening, you a Hausa man that have listened to this thing, yanzu akwai bambanci da Fulani da Bahaushe. Ni ina tabbatar ma akwai bambancin kuma shine yanzu nan mun gane Fulani suna ta kashe mu a banza. They have been killing us. And we should not take religion something to take it like it is okay. Okay, if it is fighting for religion, why are they killing the Hausas? Why are they killing us, the Hausas? It is not supposed to be so. And that is why I'm telling you now. The Igbo, the Yoruba, the Hausas are the major tribes in Nigeria. We should not be left out. People will be telling you that Fulani Hausa, there's nothing like Fulani Hausa. It is Fulani and there is Hausa. There's nothing. So share this video, let it go to places, let it go to especially the Hausa groups. If you have all these Hausa groups, please share it so that people will see. Even though you want to the market, just share it so that somebody will know that yes, there is something that is going on, a revolution. Thank you.
My people, welcome back. As you don't hear that message directly coming from the Hausas, that as it be like this now, them and Fulani don't get pata and nobody go fit settle am. He said they go take their place back from Fulanis, and this is what we'll be talking about. Fulani have taken over Nigeria government, and till today, the Nigeria government are still doing what they are saying. Kuro eyes, they created Minister of Livestock in your eyes so that the GMO, this will be easier to distribute to the farmers of Nigeria. So who are suffering it? Is it not Nigerians? And this is the reason why the Hausas in the street have to be taught also so that they know where they stand and what to do. Okay, my people, now so we'll see more, and I will say more bring a con give. Please share the video and make sure say they follow this channel. So most of people are started following us because we don't talk what they want to hear. We only say the truth here. So in case of you are the part of the people who are following this channel, thank you so much for doing that. So when you leave, more people come in. That is one thing you get in your head. Okay, my people, we'll see you for the next update as it hot.